We are heading to 7321 Gilmore Avenue here in Fort Collins, Colorado. And I just wanted to show you the drive in so you can appreciate everything this property has to offer from the location, especially the views. I mean, you can see here the foothill views. Camera doesn't do it justice. So this is a private drive-through. I love this little car on the corner. It's so cool. They had it all decorated over the holidays. It was super fun. So there's a gravel road, just leads in here. This is not a private road yet. However, we're gonna get to the property line here in just a moment, which does sit right along the driveway, give or take some feet on each side of it. There is a property line location map. It's not necessarily a survey. Okay, so here's where this dirt road, this here goes down to this property down here. This right now, we are 7321 Gilmore. This is private property. So this driveway here is the property line. The road's in decent shape. There's a few, yeah, there we go. We'll call them potholes. Definitely some bumps. What a beautiful morning. There is a pond over here. The property line you'll see cuts across just about the front of it. There's actually a long history with this pond. People used to actually water ski on it, believe it or not. It was huge many, many, many years ago. I am meeting my contractor here. He's going to be doing some work over at the property. There were some things that were left. There is a couple pieces of siding missing, so we're going to go ahead and get that done as well. And here we are, as you can tell. Beautiful views out here. I'm going to go ahead and get parked, and I'll show you guys the inside here in just a minute. All right, I'm going to take you on a tour. We're going to walk around the exterior of the home, give you an idea of the layout of the land. You can see the 10 acres, the quiet, the privacy back here. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. It's a rooster crowing. Let's give you a tour of the backyard here. Use some cleanup, of course, but the actual layout and the landscaping itself is very nice with a lot of this small, medium, and large size river rock. I have my dog, my assistant Joey, with me here today. This whole area here is fenced in, which is really nice, especially if you have kids, families, etc. Raised deck all the way around the house, which I'll show you in a minute, but I want to take, again, this longer walk through the backyard so you can really see a couple of raised garden beds, jungle gym, take it or leave it. It's actually pretty cool. Yeah. So hopefully this gives you a good idea of what this backyard looks like. And then we have this. You can obviously get out, but there's no actual steps that get up to this level here, which I thought was a little strange, but oh, nice job, dude. So this is the nice raised area here. You have this retaining wall. I'm actually looking south now, and as you can see over here, the foothills off to the right. I know, I have a whiny dog. It's just what he does. I know, bud. Look at this. It's so nice out. This area here, raised garden beds, could be used as a chicken coop. You can see there's a mesh top on it as well. Keep some of the animals out. It's a good size too. I would say probably, let's see, 40 by 30. Again, once again, needs to be cleaned up. All of this stuff here is getting removed. Like I said, I just had my contractor here. He's gonna be doing some stuff. He's gonna fix this gate here. There's a lean-to here, which is really nice. And again, he's gonna clean all this stuff up. So he's gonna get this out of here. This stuff here, very large propane. Now the acreage does stretch out this way. And then of course, all the way around to the back. As far as the property lines, there is a GIS survey. I will include the link or a PDF. But I will say, it is very peaceful out here this morning. Definitely one of the big perks of the property. Did I say perps? I meant to say perks. All right, let's go take a look inside. All right, let's go in. As I mentioned before, there is the siding that's missing. That's going to get replaced. It will be painted. It'll be the same color. It will look great. Welcome to 7321 Gilmore. And yes, Joey's going to accompany us. So this obviously is the entryway here. Just entered the front door. It's the main living area here as far as the living room. It's got a raised like dining area here, which is kind of cool. The master bedroom off to the right. Let's just go ahead and check that out first. This is brand new carpet. I know. My dog's on it. It's okay. No big deal. It's just a few paws, right? This all has been freshly painted. So this is a very neutral white eggshell color. So you can paint it to your heart's delight. Down this way, we have the main bathroom. There's also 2 walk-in closets, which is really cool. There's a second one here. Tile bathroom, jetted tub, double sinks. Really cool shower. Nice large shower in here, doubles. And then, of course, toilet over here. What's also really awesome, and you can probably already tell from here, the views just simply from this tub here. Pretty amazing out the deck here. All right, let's go ahead and walk through the rest of the house. You guys could probably deal without some of my commentary, huh? So this flooring here, it definitely needs to be replaced. It's not very high quality, and there's a few areas similar to this here. Scratches, cracks, definitely not in great shape. However, coffered ceiling, the build-ins, the walkout deck, really nice. So this is really the main focal point of the home itself. Super nice main floor. Nice office area in here, just right off the living room, and then 2 bedrooms. Once again, these have brand new carpet in it. It's decent carpet, very neutral color, great for kids' bedrooms. And again, whole house painted. A few little things, doors, rehang the doors. Each room does have a ceiling fan. And then of course, another bathroom here. I should be turning the lights on. I'm sorry. Here, let's do this. There we go. A little bit better. So this main bath here actually has double sinks, full shower, and then of course, toilet. But again, minimal things like this floor does need to be replaced. And you can tell that just the overall craftsmanship here definitely needs some work. I mean, this trim could probably be replaced, caulking along the tub and so forth, you know, replacing vent covers. I'm not a home inspector by any means, so I'm not making any claims, warranties, reputations, anything like that. Most of what I'm seeing is cosmetic. Obviously, a full inspection will reveal everything, but most of what I'm seeing is cosmetic. Again, the same tile flooring in the kitchen, real nice, open, bright kitchen, lots of lighting. Then it has this Italian style tile, really smaller tile panels. Pretty well done. So overall, really nice kitchen. Cabinetry's decent. All looks in good condition. And then the laundry room here. Has a sink, folding area. And then there's a mud room here. I might as well, while I'm here, I might as well take you guys into the garage. There's a mud room. And then this garage is huge. It's a 3-car, but it's massive. It's actually more like a 6-car, but it does have the 3 bays, of course. And then it's super deep. There's shelving all throughout. So if you love garages, this is an absolute garage paradise. Taller ceilings. These look like 10-foot ceilings, maybe even 11-foot ceilings in here. All right, let's go back in the house. So this is the entire main floor. Everything that I showed you, main floor living. However, the basement is also fully finished, which provides a ton of additional square footage. 2 more bedrooms. It's actually 3 more bedrooms. There's 6 bedrooms, 4 baths in this place. Oh. Like I said, fully finished. Need to find a light. Lots of cool features here, especially the walkout portion. Uh-oh. I'm not sure what's going on with the lights. Sorry, I just did a 360 on you guys. So again, same tile throughout. Actually, this is a little bit different. Basically the same color. I'm not getting any lights down here. Well, that's like another thing. This light switch panel's loose. Again, there's a lot of little things. You know what I was saying? There's no window coverings here. This flooring, of course, is going to need to be replaced as well. Probably should have just carpeted all the way through. But actually, now that I look at it, nice finish there. There's another bathroom here. There we go. Finally some light. You notice most of the bathrooms are double sinks. All have a tub and shower. And of course, the toilet. Large bedrooms down here. All ground level, so they all have nice windows going straight out. These bedrooms are huge. And this one here has its own private bath as well. Some threshold missing there. This is a really nice bathroom. Different style tile. This is more of like a mother-in-law suite, so to speak. Definitely some different finishes. Well done. Nice shower. Big walk-in closet. Super cool. I think if they had done the rest of the house like this, might be in a better spot. And that's everything. That is the entire home. Oh, actually, no, it's not. Let me show you the theater room. And there's another bedroom. There's actually 4 bedrooms down here. It's not technically a bedroom because it does not have a closet. However, if you wanted to put a closet there, this could now be another bedroom. So technically 7 bedrooms. However, public records, it is listed as 6 bedrooms. And a great view. Look at that. And the deck. I don't think I even need to go out there. You can see covered porch, covered deck, covered patio, whatever you want to call it. Super nice. Gosh, each time I'm here, I actually like this property more and more. Definitely a little rough around the edges, but the potential here is fantastic. It's phenomenal. For the right buyer, for the right price. I am not sure what the thought was with this room here. There's a pole right in the middle, so you can leave it to your own imagination on that. There's also a closet in here as well. We did replace that carpet, which was, there wasn't anything in there actually. And then we have the theater room in here. I can't believe I almost forgot to show this to you guys. Not sure what's going on with the light. We may have some bulbs out. Oh, there we go. Okay, that was just user error. So this room is huge. This could be used, it was used as a theater room. So they had a large pull down screen here. It's probably about 8 to 10 feet wide. And then the projector was up in this area here. But this could really be used as a gym. It could be used as an office. So much potential with this space. I would say it's probably 50 feet by 15 to 20 feet. Great room, great use of the space. So that's the finished basement. That's the extent of the entire inside of the home. Actually, I'll show you guys the furnace and water heater area, just so you know that it's actually here. So we have the instant hot furnace. Everything looks good in here. All right, cool. That's about it. All right. And the last thing before we go, I want to show you the wraparound deck, which may be my favorite part of this property. So as you can see, right as you come out of the house or into the home, it's a walk around deck. It goes around the entire property. entire house. It's so cool. There's also a door going in and out of the master bedroom. So you want to come out in the morning, grab your coffee, sit out, enjoy the sun coming up, which is actually from the east. We're facing west. Wrap around deck. So nice. And then here it opens up to a much larger area of the deck. And as I showed you before, the sliding glass door that comes out to the deck here. So really, really, really cool. And that's 7321 Gilmore here in Fort Collins, Colorado. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I know I didn't edit or do anything. We just shoot, we show the property, and we share it. So if you're interested, there is more information down below. There's a link down below, property map down below, way to get a hold of me down below. And you can always reply to this video as well. All right, have a great day. Thanks for watching.